So we got this question, the term independent of x in the expansion of this. Okay, so can I write this thing as 1 minus x power 2 by 1 plus x power 2? Okay, and can I write this thing as 1 minus 1 minus x power 2 into 1 plus x power minus 2? Correct? Now you know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and then we have 1 plus x power minus 2. Correct? So first I will write the general term, okay, for this component, and then I will try to relate with this thing. Okay, now look at this. So how we will respond, try to understand. So the general term, rth term, will take power what? uh, uh, it will become r minus 1, है ना? And then denominator will become what? R minus 1 factorial, and then we will start from n minus 1, we will keep on going till r minus 1 elements. Correct? Means this is 1 element, this is 2 element, so we will stop at r minus 1 element. Okay, now look at this. Suppose that the term which is independent of x is, if this thing will be multiplied with x power 0 of this thing. Correct? Means here x to the power is what? 0. So there also we will have x power 0. Required value. Now, so you know that here also you can have x power 0. So for that what we will do? We will take r minus 1 equals to 0. So r will become 1. So if r is 1, then we will have the x power 0 thing. Now look at this. So it is x power 0, then 0 factorial, and you will stop at what point? The 0th thing. Correct? No, means the first element. Correct? So the, like, you know that in the expansion of this thing, the first element was what? 1. So and that is free from r, that is free from, sorry, x. So we will have 1 multiplied with 1. Now plus x square. So here suppose that x square wants to fight. So from here x to the power minus 1 will come. So x to the power minus 1 means what? R minus 1 should be minus 2. So r should be minus 1. You know that r cannot take minus 1 because this thing will become undefined. So no thing. Then I want this person to fight. So if x will fight, he will fight with whom? X power minus 1. Correct? So r minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So r will be 0 again. So this is the same thing, no? So the term which is independent of x will be this. Okay, and if you want to know the it is the required part. Okay, I hope the idea is clear. Okay.